Join me as I put this 70 degrees oscillating swamp cooler to the test and see if it can really keep us cool both indoors and outdoors. Today, we're diving into the 70 degrees oscillating swamp cooler, an innovative solution for both indoor and outdoor cooling needs. As temperatures rise, finding an efficient and cost-effective way to stay cool becomes essential, especially in areas with low humidity. This is where evaporative coolers, also known as swamp coolers, come into play. They're designed to add moisture to the air while cooling it down, making them perfect for dry climates. Traditional air conditioning can be expensive and energy-intensive, which is why swamp coolers are gaining popularity. They offer a more eco-friendly alternative that's also gentle on the wallet. The 70 degrees oscillating swamp cooler is particularly interesting because of its oscillating feature, which allows it to cover a wider area. This means you can enjoy cool air across more space without having to move the unit around. Its design is sleek and compact, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're working in your home office or relaxing in your backyard, this swamp cooler can provide the cooling relief you need. The unit is easy to set up and operate, which is a big plus for anyone who isn't tech-savvy. Simply fill the water tank, turn it on, and adjust the settings to your liking. We'll explore the features of the 70 degrees oscillating swamp cooler, including its design, functionality, and how it works to provide relief from the heat. So let's take a closer look at what makes this swamp cooler stand out. The cooler works by pulling in hot air, passing it through a wet pad, and then releasing cool air. This process not only cools the air but also humidifies it, making it an excellent option for dry environments. Its oscillating feature allows for a wider coverage area, ensuring that you feel the cool air across more space. This can be especially useful in larger rooms or open-plan areas where you want to keep the air circulating. The build quality of the swamp cooler is sturdy, and it's designed with portability in mind. Let's see the 70 degrees oscillating swamp cooler in action. As you can see, it's compact and doesn't take up too much space. When you turn it on, the oscillating feature really kicks in, spreading the cool air across a wider area. In this demonstration, we're using it in a backyard setting, but it's just as effective indoors. The cooling power is impressive, and you can really feel the difference it makes. The noise level is also relatively low, which is a big plus if you plan to use it in a quiet environment. You can have a conversation or watch TV without it being too distracting. As we watch it oscillate, notice how it covers a significant area. This makes it perfect for both personal and shared spaces. In summary, the 70 degrees oscillating swamp cooler offers a powerful and eco-friendly cooling option that can make your summer more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other reviews on cooling products and share your thoughts in the comments below. Evaporative Air Cooler 70 degrees oscillating swamp cooler 39 inches cooling tower fan portable air conditioners W/3 liters water tank, 2 ice packs 12-hour smart timer for auto-off cooling fan for indoor and outdoor white. Brand is AZOUTDOOR. Mounting type floor mount. Special feature adjustable speed, oscillating fan, built-in wheel. Color white. Airflow capacity 25 cubic feet per minute. Controls type remote/touch. Recommended uses for product commercial, residential. Included components remote control, portable air conditioners, ice pack. Noise level 50 decibels. Number of speeds 3. 3-in-1 portable air conditioner. This is a multifunctional portable air conditioners that combines a fan, air conditioner and evaporative humidifier. Double cooling effect. If there is no water in the water tank, the fan will be an ordinary air cooler. Snowflake emoji. No installation required. Plug and play. Our swamp cooler requires no hoses, no windows, and is plug and play. Enjoy instant cooling while significantly reducing installation and maintenance costs. Its compact, portable design makes it ideal as a portable fan or for any space where a traditional air conditioning unit is not an option. Cleanable and removable cooling pads simplify maintenance. Snowflake emoji. 70 degrees oscillation and 3 speeds. The 70 degrees wide angle of this oscillation portable swamp cooler allows for ultimate cold air circulation, ensuring a breeze in every corner of the room. The 3 speeds offer a range of customizable options to meet your every need. Snowflake emoji. Remote control. This tower air conditioner 2 control methods, touchscreen and remote control. The responsive touchscreen design allows you to easily operate the top control panel without bending over. With a remote control, you can freely switch between modes while lying in bed or on the sofa, eliminating the need to get up, perfect for relaxing after a busy day. The intuitive icon design makes it easy for both the elderly and children to use. Snowflake emoji, 12H smart timer, 1 to 12 hours timer, which can be customized to set the working time of 112H for time freedom. In addition, the low noise configuration allows you to sleep with the breeze at night without feeling noisy. Snowflake emoji, 3 liters water tank and 2 ice boxes. Enjoy efficient cooling with our portable standing air conditioner indoor. Equipped with a 3 liters water tank and 2 upgraded ice packs. The blown wind carries water vapor, which is combined with ice packs and turn the cool function on, then cooling effect will be enhanced, and the wind will be warm and moist without drying out. Snowflake emoji, manufacturer warranty, this product is covered by a 12-month warranty from the date of receipt. If you encounter any problems, please feel free to contact us via message. The customer service team will provide you with solutions within 12 hours. We promise, one communication, the whole process of guarding.